came, my winnings, my journal from Helen at Moss Cottage. It came. It's come really fast, and I'm all shaky, and I can't open it. I'm going to have to get my scissors. Okay, right, really should have done this one first, but you know what you're like when you're so excited. This is the prize I won from Helen at Moss Cottage, and it's her Fragments journal. She did a course, which I'm sort of looking at, and I'm so excited to open this. Oh, she's so generous. She just gave away this journal, and I was very lucky, and I won. I've been very lucky just lately. Oh, you'll probably have heard all about it by now. I love this. I love this paper. Guess where this is going? Ooh, look, it's even better in real life. Oh, wow. I have got to try this. I love this. This is just so clever. I did watch you do this, Helen. But honestly, it's really better in life. It's better. I love the little beads. Oh, let's go inside. Ooh, look. Oh, little note. Right, I will read this later on. Look at that. This just echoes the front. That's so cool. Just all your fragments. That's what they, you know, we call them, I call them eclectic when I just throw in all my others, but I think fragments is such a better word. Oh, wow. This is really cool. Just simple in the pocket. Loads of stuff you can play with. It's like, it's really inspiring, because also already I'm thinking, oh, I can do, you know, and that's what a junk journal should be about. It's like Helen started it off, and all I've got to do is carry on. Just random bits, and it's just wonderful. What a great idea. If you haven't seen the course, pop over to Helen's channel. I'll link the video where she does this, and she talks about the course she did for this. I am picking away at it. I don't have a lot of time at the minute. It's just so many different pages, and I love this, the handmade elements in it, just breaking up pages. This is just like awesome. I love this. This is like real junk journaling. This is what I'm getting back to. A bit of this. Just, you know, making tags out of scraps of paper. Random bits of paper and fabric on pages, just to start you off on a little, you know, not a blank page. This is just awesome. Thank you so much. This is really inspiring, Helen. I mean, just that. I mean, that already, you know, that's a C. That's for Carol. This book was meant for me. And I don't know yet what I'm going to do with this, but you will see. I may even work on this with you. That might be a really fun thing to do. And I'm going to just go back through it again in a minute. But thank you so much. I've even got the cover to finish, put like maybe a nameplate on or something. Woo! Thank you so much, Helen. Pop over and see Helen's making of this. It's awesome, inspiring, and it's turned out amazing. I just absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. Thank you so much. And I hope you enjoyed that little flip through. Tried not to make it too long. And I will see you all very soon. Bye.